Hi folks, customer come in saying his whacker plate was making a bit of a strange noise. So I run it up and it's the centrifugal clutch. Now whenever I run up a whacker plate I put it on a cushion because it means that the noise from the vibration is severely damped. And the first time I ever did it, my next door neighbours thought it was an earthquake. So that's what it sounds like with the clutch. The centrifugal clutch on the machine. Oh, by the way, one of the little jobs I've got to do is put a kill switch in, so I've hot wired a kill cable in. Alright. So that's what it sounds like with the clutch on. Let's try it without the clutch on. Now I've taken off the centrifugal clutch, let's see what it sounds like. That's a bit of a difference, isn't it? Now, when the engine was tinkling over and this centrifugal clutch here was attached, you could hear a tinkling noise. Obviously when I revved it up, you couldn't hear that. Couldn't hear the tinkling noise because of the noise of the vibration. But when I took that off and the engine was ticking over, the noise was missing. And what it is, it's the combination of the shaft and the bearings on the inside of it. So it doesn't stop the machine running, but at least I now have told the customer what the noise is. To be honest with you, I thought it was the bottom end, because every time it was just when it was running you could hear this noise, and I thought it sounds like that, especially when you look at how it's been maintained. The oil in it is black. Right. Also, when I took the clutch off, this is the woodruff key. It's supposed to be square. You can see that that's been bouncing backwards and forwards and worn that notch in it for quite a while. So I'm not exactly sure why the shaft is sloppy on it, because you put it on there and it should not be anywhere near that sloppiness. So whether someone's put a wrong clutch on here or something else has gone wrong or something else has happened, I don't know exactly how that shaft is being able to get that worn, because look at it, you can see the amount of play in it. But yeah, it's something else to tell the customer. Yeah, probably. So that's a video about a little whacker plate, a little bit of information. Use a cushion underneath it whenever you're running them up. And if you ever hear a tinkling, never suspect it's the engine. Because as I say, what surprised me is even when it was ticking over, it was tinkling, but then there's that so much play on it. Take care folks, and see you next video. Bye.